Hi, friends. Let's talk about dramatic play and why it's so much more than dress up and pretend. When children engage in dramatic play, they're not just having fun, they're rehearsing life. They're exploring roles, relationships, and routines. They're testing out language, emotions, and problem solving. They're building the cognitive and social muscles they'll use for years to come. Think about it. When a child pretends to be a doctor, a parent, a chef, a teacher, they're practicing empathy. They're imagining what it's like to be someone else. They're learning to take turns, negotiate, and collaborate. Dramatic play is where children try on the world. It's where they make sense of what they see, hear, and feel. It's where they process big emotions in a safe, creative space. When they're fearful and confused, they find strength in acting out what's scary and confusing. As noted educator Nancy Carlson Page once said, if they don't act out their feelings, where do those feelings go? And it's not just social emotional learning, it's literacy, it's math, it's science. They're writing signs, counting play money, organizing props, making mud pies, planning scenes. They're using memory, attention, and flexibility, all while immersed in joyful self directed play. So when we make space for dramatic play, when we protect it, enrich it, and honor it, we're not just supporting imagination, we're supporting identity, we're supporting agency, we're supporting the skills children need to thrive in school, in relationships, and in life. Let's stop calling it just pretend. Let's start calling it what it is: essential, transformative, real learning. Thanks for being here. Thanks for championing play. And thanks for seeing the brilliance in every child's imagination.